Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So pretty strong break to the upside. Lots of noise in the market now about Euro USD. Anyway, it's been on my radar for a long time. So what we're looking at the moment is opportunities to buy, and you're looking for opportunities to buy off the pullback. So we do have overhead resistance here at 111,037, and then we have some support here at 110,489, and then I would just put this other swing high in here as well, and that's at 110,077. So the minute you start drilling through the time frames, you can see from late last week, strong move up, flag break, continuation, and I think this move is done. Just check this out. That was the original move. There's the second move. Yeah, we are pretty much done on the measured move. So now what normally happens is we'll find some structure or build some structure for the next opportunity to the upside. So I'm looking for opportunities to buy. One of the logical areas is going to be down at 110,500. Nice round number as well. But other than that, I don't see anything else on the hour. Problem with a move all the way down there is it eliminates all of this move that we had. So look on the 15-minute to see what there is, and you'll see there is a bit of structure right over here at 110,744. Oscillators lining up nicely as well, so that would be the area that I'd be watching this morning. 110,744, looking for inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars on that area during the session, and your first target is going to be 111,037. So that should give you about 140 point stop loss to a 230 point gain. Not quite a 2-to-1 trade, but if you get through the next overhead resistance, there's not much in the way that's going to stop you. So you can see how far back we've got to go. And you see prices in this zone here. So once we're through there, not much in front of us. Nothing really exciting. So and you can also just drill down to the week, or drill up to the weekly, should I say, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. That's kind of the last line of defense here at 110,037. There may be a little bit of another one at 111,850, but that's still an upside target as far as I'm concerned. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my setup for today. You're looking to buy, but you're looking to buy off the pullback. Just get down to the low time frames of the 15 minutes and watch this zone here. If this gives way, then you need to start looking a bit lower down at 110,502, or it's going to pick something on the 15 or 5 minute and then build some structure and then bounce off that. So that's kind of the two scenarios that are going to happen today. Okay, well, one of them is going to happen, not both of them. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.